Do my sprockets need replacing? My bike's now done 40,000 kilometres and these are the original sprockets still. As the front sprocket always wears out faster than the rear, I'm going to check the front one first. This is literally a 5-minute job. I need to remove the 10mm bolt for the gear shift lever, and then there's 3 8mm head bolts that take the side cover off. Before I remove the linkage, I just put a pen mark so I align the splines in the same place when I put it back on again. This bolt's got to be removed completely or the linkage won't come off the shaft. Now for the 3 8mm bolts that hold the side cover on. With those all removed, I can simply slide the side cover out. Because of the counterclockwise rotation of the sprocket, the wear is going to be on the left side of each tooth. I'm looking for a hook shape on the tooth where the wear happens, right here where the arrow is pointing. Because the original OEM chain was crap, I replaced it at 22,000 kilometres, but I didn't replace the sprockets. At that time the sprockets showed very little wear. I can see wear on the front sprocket now, but it's still not that bad. I'm expecting that by the time this needs replacing, the chain will need replacing as well. I may as well check the rear sprocket while I'm at it. Because there are so many more teeth on the rear sprocket, it has a much easier time than the front one. Again, I'm looking for wear on the edge that the chain pulls on. This sprocket is still showing very little sign of wear. If you're too lazy to remove the front cover to check the front sprocket, another way is to listen to it. If the sprocket is still okay, it'll sound the same whether you move the chain forward or backwards. Of course, if the sprockets and or chain are really rooted, you'll hear a horrendous noise while you're driving along. But hopefully your mechanical sensitivity and your maintenance schedule will catch it before it gets this bad.